Hello everyone. Today we'll make the quiz using Google Forms. Now click on new button. Here you get the more. In more you can see Google Forms. Click on it. You will get the screen like this. Now change the settings. Make it a quiz. In quizzes select the option make this a quiz and save it. Now this is an untitled form. You can name it here as quiz. And description, in description you can make it general, and if you want to select it any specific, you can also write it here. Now you have to add questions in this quiz, so click on add questions. Who is the prime minister of India? Okay, this is the question. Here options are different. You can select any short answer for it, so it will appear like this. You can go for MCQ, that is multiple choice with options. Now first one is, you can write here Narendra Modi. Second options, you can opt Amit Shah. Third option, you can have Rajnath Singh. Okay. Next, you can select none of above. In this way, you can formulate a question in a quiz. Now, few things you must remember. This is a compulsory question, so make it required. If this is not correct, delete it or make the duplicate copies of this question. And this is the most important point, mark answer key, that is Narendra Modi ji, and allot some few points for a particular question. We can allot 5 marks and done. Now you can see how your quiz will appear. Now to see the preview of the quiz, you can move to preview option. This is the way how your quiz will appear. When you click on this option, you and submit your answer, you will get this. Click on this, you can here see the score of the quiz. In this way we can make the quiz in Google Form. Thank you.